Hope you are energetic. Okay, switch on to a channel once again, children. Part 12 or completed examination special fractions and decimals. Okay, I think so. You are eagerly waiting. Let us start now. Still, those who did not watch it, the previous one, the link is given in the description. The question when 0.00639 when divided by 0.213 is. So, in generally, this is nothing but decimals. Division, you will be confusing. So, I am going to make it easy by both methods. So, now here they asked 0.00639 by this one 0.213. So leave it the decimals, leave the zeros here. 213 into 3, 213 into 3 gives you or 639. So here I am going through original method. So this can be written as now here 639 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to place it as after decimal you have 5 digits. Okay. So divide with that one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 lakh by here it is 213 by point afterwards decimal side. After point right side you have 3 digits. So divide with 1000. So 639 by here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into, since it is a form of A by B by C by D, A by B into D by C. So that I can write here 100 by 213. Once and here it is thrice. And here it is cancel 2 zeros and here it is 2 zeros. Okay. So sorry, here it is 3 zeros. Point afterwards you have 3 digits. So 1000. So here also we had placed it as 1000, so the 3 zeros. Now leftover part is nothing but 3 by you have 100. Okay. So since you have the denominator 100, right to left you had to place after 2 digits as the decimal point. So here it is 3. Since you have to place after 2 digits, fill it with 1 0 point. Okay, so 0.03 nothing but B option. So that is lengthiest in general. Okay, this is a regular method, nothing but our traditional method. Now here I am going for fast track method, method 2. Fast track method, nothing but fast track method, nothing but a shortcut method. Okay, so let us see what is our shortcut here. Just write down here 0.00639 by here it is 0.213. Okay, point afterwards you have here after decimal this one you have 5 digits. But here you have 3 digits. So please go through yours once again carefully. Point afterwards 5 digits here, point after 3 digits. Nothing but here finally 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 digits. Okay. So finally I can write the answer 0.03. This 2 digit stands for, place a 3 here because 213 ones are 213 threes are. That 3 is nothing but 3 times here. So since you have to place it has 2 digits, so 1 digit is meant for 3 and one more you had fixed for 0. So point. So I think so this is in maximum of 20 seconds. So next coming to here second problem, the value of this expression you have to find. So it seems to be the exponents also, exponents and powers again, but here you will get in fractions and this here fractions also. So we have first of all I am writing a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n, because here you have in this form 2 times we are going to apply. So now consider here, so 2 minus 3 of 2 minus 3 power minus 1 whole power minus 1. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1 whole power minus 1 whole power minus 1. So 2 minus, so nothing but this is this one, this bracket 1 in the form of this one. So I can write now 1 by a power n. So 1 by minus 1 whole power 1. So whole power minus 1. So this can be written as 2 minus, so minus 1 whole power 1 is minus 1, minus by minus it is plus. Okay. So here you have 3, 2 minus 3 of this one. So 2 plus 3 of 1 whole power minus 1. So be attention here, this one I have been applied here for this. Okay, this formula have been applied. So now I can write 2 plus 3 into 1 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5 power minus 1. Again this one you have to apply again this formula, same a power minus n 1 by a power n, so that I can write 1 by 5 power n, so 1 by 5. So however it is 1 by 5, nothing but B option. If you are aware of this formula, you can do very easily. Okay, here minus into minus, it becomes plus. Okay, so this is first problem and this is second problem. So this is B option and this one is again here itself B option. Finally both are B option. First problem 2 methods, second problem is 1 method, applied this formula twice. Okay, once you have the total look. So this type of calculations you will get in physical science also. So I hope that you will like this one very lot. Okay, then only you give the like, otherwise just to watch and share to your near and dear without hesitating, and bless me. See you in the next video session.